Pay your attention here. So, today before we go on, let's practice some sentences. I want to say that દેવરાજ અત્યારે ચાલી રહ્યો છે. How to say this one? દેવરાજ અત્યારે ચાલી રહ્યો છે. I want to say this. Yes, દેવરાજ અત્યારે walk કરી રહ્યો છે. યુવરાજ. અરે વાહ, very good, very good. What is it? Devraj is walking. Now I want to make a simple question from this sentence. Okay, who is going to make a simple question? Devraj is walking. Simple question. Yes, very simple question. Deepika, stand up and say. Very good, very good. बहुत सारा. શું કરશે ભાઈ? Is Devraj walking? Is Devraj walking? Right? And I want to ask that where? કઈ જગ્યાએ દેવરાજ ચાલે છે? Where? Yes? કઈ જગ્યાએ ચાલે છે? Where? Jyoti, stand up and say. Very good. What is it? Where is Devraj walking? Very good, very good, very good. Okay. મારે એવું કેવું છે દેવરાજ ચાલવાનો છે હવે. ચાલશે. દેવરાજ ચાલવાનો છે ભવિષ્યમાં. ચાલશે. ચાલો. કેવી રીતે બોલીશું? દેવરાજ ચાલવાનો છે. દેવરાજ ચાલશે. આવું કેવું છે? So how to say this one? Raise your hands. ગાયત્રી, stand up and say. હા, સરસ. પ્રયત્ન સારો છે. એક વસ્તુ રહી ગઈ એમાં. કયું રહી ગયું? છૂટી ગયું? બોલો કિશન. Devraj will walk. Not walking. We will only say Devraj will walk. Right? I want to make a simple question. चलो एकदम सादो प्रश्न. Okay, Harshida. Very good. What is it? એટલે આપણે દેવરાજ એટલે હવે લખીએ છીએ he. Will he walk? ચલો પૂછવું છે કે કઈ જગ્યાએ ચાલવાનું છે? Where? Where? ચલો ભાવના. Very good. બહુ સરસ. Where will he walk? ક્યારે ચાલવાનું છે? When? અર્ચના. When will he walk? ચલો એવું કેવું છે દેવરાજ ચાલ્યો હતો. દેવરાજ ચાલ્યો હતો પહેલા. દેવરાજ પહેલા ચાલ્યો હતો. તો કેવી રીતે કહીએ આપણે? યસ. બસ આટલા જ. કેમ ભાઈ આમાં ડરી ગયો? સાક્ષી બોલો તો ટ્રાય કરો તો. ચલો કોણ ટ્રાય કરશે? પૂનમ કરો. દેવરાજ ઇઝ વોક. ચલો કૃષ્ણ બોલો. દેવરાજ વોક. ઇઝ ના હોય બેટા. ખાલી શું થાય? દેવરાજ વોક એટલે આપણે કહીશું હી વોકડ. ચલો સાદો પ્રશ્ન. એરો નહીં થતો. ઓકે, સાદો પ્રશ્ન. ચલો બોલો જન્મી. Did he walk? Very good. શું થશે? Did he walk? વેરી ગુડ. ચલો પૂછવું છે વેર, ક્યાં ચાલ્યો હતો? કઈ જગ્યાએ ચાલ્યો હતો? ઉર્વશી, સ્ટેન્ડ અપ એન્ડ સે. Where did he walk? ચલો ક્યારે ચાલ્યો હતો? when ક્યારે ચાલ્યો હતો? મનોજ, when did he walk? વેરી ગુડ. ચલો ફાવે ને તો આપણે લખી લઈશું. ચલો ગઈ વખતે 4 વાક્યો જોયા હતા. ઓકે, who is going to read the sentence number 1? પલકબેન. Yes, the sled hit a snake. Number 2. Kaushik. Did the sled snap the snake? Very good. Number 3. Ruhika. Sal met Jane at the bus stop. Number 4. Sadev. Read a snub Jane on the bus. ચલો આગળના વાક્યો છે, આપણે ટ્રાય કરીએ. her at, her ad, snap, on. ચલો the hat had a snap on it. Can you read now? चलो snug, ka a pa, had, snap, okay, the snug cap had a snap. Can you read? चलो bug, set, snug, rug, a bug set snug in a rug. શું થાય? is can snip slit egg. चलो sis can snip a slit in the rag. શું થશે વાંચો તો? Very good. चलो हाँ. Now today we are એ ભૂલી જવાય પછી લ્યો એટલા માટે પછી લેવાનો તમે ગ્રુપ મારી દે. Do you want to go home? Okay. चलो 7 and 1 glow. It's a beautiful story. Chalo, what is the name of the story? Seven and one blow. Blow એટલે ખબર તમને? What is blow? Blow. Blow ના બે અર્થ થાય છે. First, હા, કોઈ બોલ્યું? કોણ બોલ્યું? વેરી ગુડ. બ્લો. બ્લો એટલે શું થાય? ફૂંક મારવી. અને બ્લો નો બીજો અર્થ પણ થાય છે. હા, ફટકો મારો, લાફો મારો, એટલે એને મારવું. દેટ ઇઝ બ્લો, પ્રહાર. બીજા શબ્દોમાં કહીએ તો શું કહીએ? પ્રહાર. બ્લો. તો 7 and a blow એટલે એક જ ઝટકે, એક જ પ્રહારે કેટલા જણ? 7 જણ. આપણે કહીએ છે ને, બોલીએ ને, એક જ ઝટકે બે ને પતે દીધો. એક ઝટકે 7 and 1 blow. It's a beautiful story. Let us see the story. Keep it underlining the words, whatever I underline. Now see here. Once upon a time, there was a young boy. Who was there? Young. Young means nanu, yuvan, and young. So there was a young boy named Gopal. What was his name? Gopal. Now, Gopal liked jalebis very much. What did Gopal like? Jalebis. What do you like most? What do you like very much? I like panda very much. What do you like? You like gulab jamuns, motichur na laddu, samosa, jalebi, bundi, gulab jamun. Okay, but Gopal, what did Gopal like? Jalebis very much. So Gopal liked jalebis, like up to E સુધી જ. Gopal like means gumbo. Gopal liked jalebis very much. One day he bought some fresh jalebis. He bought means Haridu, right? And what is the main verb of bought? B-U-Y. લખજો એટલે ખબર પડે. One day Gopal bought some fresh jalebis. What did he buy? Fresh jalebis. So he put the jalebis in a dish. He put Muku. I put the pen on the bench. Muku. So he put the jalebis on a dish. After a while, थोड़ी देर પછી, after a while he saw flies buzzing over the jalebis. He saw. What is the main verb of saw? See. Flies. Fly એટલે FLY. Fly એટલે ઉડવું તો થાય, પણ અહીંયા બીજો એક પણ અર્થ થાય છે. જો ફ્લાય એટલે આપણે ઉડવું કહીએ છીએ, પણ ફ્લાય નો બીજો અર્થ થાય છે માખી. કયો અર્થ થાય છે? માખી. અત્યારે ચોમાસામાં માખી બધી ફરતી હશે હે ને. સો હી સો of some flies buzzing over the jalebis. ફ્લાય શું કરતી હતી જલેબીઝ ઉપર? બઝ. Flies buzz करे ना, तो flies, he saw flies buzzing over the jalebis. So he shouted. Gopal shouted. Shout up to T. Shout means yeah. So Gopal shouted, "Go away, dirty flies! Go away! Go away!" Go away पे go away. Ah, very good. Someone spoke. Who spoke? Better don't take rest. Ah, it's not for rest. Go away. Go away, dirty flies. Go away. Go away means दूर जाओ. Right? Go away. Dirty flies. Dirty. Yeah. Go away, dirty flies. Dirty. He shouted. But the flies, did they go away? No, they didn't. Right? So he killed 7 flies at one blow. What did he kill? 7 flies. Kill. Maru. Marinaku. So he killed 7 flies at one blow. So he said to himself, said means bolu, kehu, है ना? So what is the main verb of said? Say. So he said to himself, wow, 7 at a blow. I am very brave. What did he say? I am very brave. What does brave means? बहादुर. भाई हम तो बहुत बहादुर છું. So what did he do? He made a big bell. Patto, right? Yes. Banavu. So what did he make? A bell. Bell means patto. He made a big bell. He wrote. पट्टा ऊपर है ने wrought. Wrought means lucky, right? What is the main verb of wrought? Right. Kismat, right? So he wrote on the big bell, and what did he write? 7 at one blow, right? Now the king. So he made a big bell and he wrote on the bell 7 at one blow. Now the king heard about Gopal. Heard. Sambhadyu. Heard. Sambhadyu. And what is the main verb of heard? મુખ્ય verb કયો છે ભાઈ heard નો? Hear. H-E-A-R. Hear. તો રાજાએ તો ભાઈ ગોપાલ છે સાંભળ્યું. He heard about Gopal. He called him. Yeah, he called him and said, Gopal, you are a brave boy. How are you? Brave. Brave means Bahadur, you are a brave boy. Did you really kill 7 at a blow? Gopal said, yes, your majesty, I did. What did he say? I did. हाँ मैं तो मारी ना कैसे? Right? The king said, राजा हुए कैसे? You know? No. No means? I know Rakesh bhai. I know. I know your address. I know your mobile number. Order खबर होगी. So you know तू जाने से there are 2 cruel giants in our kingdom. Who are there? Giants. Rakshas. Giants. And how are the giants? Cruel. Very cruel. एकदम घाती, निर्दयी. They are cruel giants in our kingdom. Kingdom means Rajya. What does kingdom means? Rajya. In our Rajya there are 2 cruel giants. You know? Do you know there are 2 cruel giants in our kingdom? And the giants, what do? They trouble people. What do? They trouble કરે છે people ને, મુશ્કેલી કરે છે. લોકોને વિતાડે છે, they trouble people, right Jyoti? So the giants trouble people, and there is no one, કોઈ નથી who catch them, who kill them. There is no one. Catch and kill. There is no one to catch them. There is no one to kill them. Now Gopal asked. Asked. Yeah, so Gopal asked. Did anyone try to catch them before? પહેલા કોઈએ ટ્રાય કર્યો છે ભાઈ કેચ કરવાનો? Did anyone try to catch them before? The king replied, yes, many people tried, but they failed. Many people tried, but what happened? The people failed. થવું, નપાસ થવું, હારી જવું, right? You are brave. You killed 7 at a time, and the giants are only 2 नहीं, 2. Kill them, and I will give you a rich reward. I will give you. Yeah, Apish, what will he give? A reward. Inam. પણ કેવું રિવોર્ડ આપીશ? રીચ, પૈસા વાળો, રાઈટ? I will give you a rich reward. Give means આપો. And what is the past form of give? ભૂતકાળ એનું શું છે? Give. Very good. So I will give you a rich reward. ગોપાલ જાણતો હતો that he was not able to catch the giants or to kill the giants, right? He was not able, સક્ષમ નહોતો to catch the giants. But the king and the people had high hopes from him. રાજાને અને લોકોને એની જોડેથી શું હતી? હોપ, આશા. ઈ સુધી આશા હતી. હાઈ હોપ્સ, હાઈ ઊંચું, ઊંચી આશાઓ હતી. So he thought for a long time. વિચાર્યું. એનું મૂળ રૂપ શું છે ભાઈ થોટનું? કોઈને ખબર છે? Think. થોટનું મૂળ રૂપ કયું છે ભાઈ? Think. So he thought for a long time. He thought. Then he went out. What happened? Went out. જતો રહ્યો. He went out in search of the giants. Search કરવા, શોધવા, right? In search of the giants. He wandered here and there. He wandered here, he wandered there, he wandered here and there. બધે જે વેન્ડર કર્યું, એને રખડ્યું. શું કર્યું? He wandered here and there. He roamed in the mountains. Roam એટલે રખડવું, ફરવું. So where did he roam? ક્યાં ફર્યો? Mountains, પર્વતોમાં. And valleys. Valleys એટલે બે પર્વતની વચ્ચે ખીણ હોય ને, it is valley. He roamed in the mountains. He roamed in the valleys, but did he pass? Did he succeed? No, he failed. Now after some days, થોડાક દિવસો પછી, he was going through the forest. Through. I am going through the line. Through the line. I am walking through the students. વચ્ચે થઈને. So he was going through the forest. Through એટલે વચ્ચે. Forest એટલે jungle વચ્ચે then he was going. So he saw the giants there. Whom did he see? Giants. He saw the giants there. And they were under a tree. Where were the giants? Under a tree. Gopal was scared. Gopal was scared. ડરી ગયો, right? Scared. Up to E. E સુધી. So he said to himself, એણે પોતાની જાતે કહ્યું that the giants are really huge. How are the giants? Huge. Huge એટલે very big. બહુ મોટા. Right, Archana? The giants are very huge. They look, દેખાય પણ છે કેવા? Cruel. Cruel એટલે હમણાં જ કહ્યું તમને. Cruel એટલે કેવા લાગે છે? Cruel, ડરાવણા. Cruel. Right? They look cruel too. The task, calm. The task is very tough. How is the task? Very tough. અહીંયા તમે GH ને ફ બોલો છો. જેમ કે અહીંયા ROUGH. રફ. આવી ગયું? રફ. તેજસ્વીનીમાં. તો આ ટફ. The task. કામ કેવું છે ભાઈ હવે? બહુ જ ટફ છે. ટફ એટલે ભારે, મુશ્કેલ, અઘરું હે ને. I can't fight with them. હું શું ના કરી શકું? I cannot fight with them. એમની સાથે લડી ના શકું ભાઈ. I cannot fight with them. So he fought for a while. Yeah. He said to himself, I will try. શું કહ્યું એણે? I will try. So he threw some stones at them. Throw. Naku, fenku. He threw some stones. Stone. What is stone? Pathar. He threw some stones at them and hide himself. સંતાઈ ગયું. Very good. Hid. એ ભૂતકાળનું રૂપ છે. એનું મૂળ રૂપ છે hide. પાછળ E આવે છે ખાલી. He hid himself behind a tree. Behind. Look, I am behind the door. Behind. I am behind the door. Yes. Behind. So he hid behind the tree. ઝાડ પાછળ. One giant got up. Yeah. Got up. Get up. ઊભું થવું. So one giant got up and asked the other. Asked. પૂછ્યું. Did you throw stones at me? Did you throw stones at me? The other replied, no, I didn't. You did it. What did he say? You. मैं तो नहीं लगा. ते मारे भाई. He shouted. Shout. Yeah, boom parvi. Why did you throw stones at me? The first giant replied, I did not do anything. मैं कहीं नहीं करूँ. You threw stones at me, and they began to fight. What happened? They began to fight. Begin. એટલે start કરું. Begin કરું એટલે start કરું. They began to fight. They fought fiercely. Fought. Fight નું ભૂતકાળનું રૂપ છે fought. They fought fiercely and killed each other. They killed each other. એકબીજાને મારી નાખે. So this is the story, right? Let us see the story again. What is there in the story? Let us see. Yes, once upon a time there was a young boy. Young. Yuan. No, right? There was a young boy named Krishna. Gopal. Okay, look, I am going to make some mistakes here and you are going to catch my mistakes. Ready? So, Gopal liked laddus very much. Jalebis. Very good. So, he liked the jalebis very much. So, one day he bought some fresh jalebis. What did he buy? Fresh jalebis. He put the jalebis in the book. Where did he put the jalebis? In a dish. So he put the jalebis in a dish, and after a while, थोड़ी बार बचे, he saw some flies buzzing over the jalebis. Right? Then he shouted. He shouted, "Come here, dirty flies! Come here!" Is it right? So what did he say? Go away. Go away. Dirty flies, go away. But the flies, did they go away? No, they didn't. They didn't go away. So he killed 7 flies at one blow. He blew, and how many flies killed? 7. He killed 7 flies. So he said to himself, "Wow, 7 at one blow. I am very brave." How am I? Brave. Brave means? Yeah, Bahadur. I am very brave. So he made a big belt. What did he make? Big belt. And he wrote on the belt, Hiren Mehta. So what did he write on the belt? 7 at one blow on it, right? Now the king heard about Gopal. Gopal baat saambhali. So he called Gopal. He called Gopal and he asked, "Gopal, you are a brave boy. Did you really kill 7 at a blow?" Gopal said, "Yes, Your Majesty, I did. I did." So the king said, "You know, there are 2 cruel giants in our kingdom." Who are there? 2 cruel giants in our kingdom, and they trouble people. There is no one to catch them. There is no one to kill them. Gopal asked, "Did anyone try to catch them before?" King said, "Yes. Many people tried, but they succeeded." Failed. Okay. But they failed. Gopal, you are brave. You killed 7 at a time. And the giants are only 3. 2. Giants are only 2. Kill them and I will give you a rich reward. What will he give him? Rich reward. So Gopal knew he was not able to catch the giants. He was not able to kill the giants, right? Gopal was not able. Saksham no. He was not able to catch the giants. He was not able to kill the giants. So, but the king and people had high hopes from him. So he thought for a long time. And then he went out in search of the giants. Yeah, right? So he wandered here and there. He roamed in the mountains and in the valleys, but he failed. After some days, he was going through the city. Forest. And he saw the giants there. They are on the tree. They were under the tree. And Gopal was scared. Yeah, Gopal was scared. He said to himself, "Oh, the giants are very small. Huge. The giants are really huge. And they look cruel too. The task is very tough. How is the task? Very tough. I cannot fight with them. I cannot fight. So he thought for a while. He said, I will try. What did he say? I will try. So he threw some stones at the giants. He threw. Yeah. Why? What did he throw? Some pens at the giants. Pens. No. So what did he throw? Stones. He threw some stones at the giants and hide behind the tree. Where did he hide? Behind the tree. So one giant got up. Got up. And asked the other, did you throw stones at me? The other replied, no, I didn't. But you did it. He shouted, why did you throw stones at me? The first giant replied, I did nothing. I did do anything. You threw stones at me, and they began to fight. And they fought fiercely. And they killed each other. Right? So this is the story. And what is the name of the story? Seven and one blow. Very good, very good. Okay. Now see here. ચલો અહીં સુધી રાખીએ છીએ. અહીંયા આપણે હવે કાલે જોઈશું અહીંયાથી આગળ. પણ કેટલાક શબ્દો તમારે ઘરેથી ટેસ્ટ માટે તૈયાર કરવાના છે. કયા શબ્દો આપણે લઈશું? ચાલો ચલો ભાઈ, કયા લઈએ? હા, ડર્ટી. ઓકે, ડર્ટી. ડર્ટી એટલે ગંદુ. ઓકે, નેક્સ્ટ જાયન્ટ. જ આ અંટ. જાયન્ટ. નેક્સ્ટ સ્ટોન. સ્ટોન પથ્થર. નેક્સ્ટ હા, કિંગડમ. કિંગડમ રાજ્ય. નેક્સ્ટ ફાઇટ. એ સિવાયનો brave. Right, these are the 5 words. Can you read the 5 words again? Dirty. Giant नहीं, giant. I ने I बोला है. Giant, stone, kingdom, brave. Very good. Okay.